Hi everyone, welcome to RaiGurukul.com. In today's video, we are diving into the exciting world of web development with HTML. Whether you are looking to create our own website or just curious about how the web works, you are at the right place. Stick around as we break down HTML basics in this 2023 editions of our beginner guide. So let's understand what is HTML. Alright, let's start from the very beginning. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's the backbone of every web pages you see on the internet. HTML provides the structure and content of web pages, allowing browser to display text, images, video, and many more things. So we'll see how the website will look like. So if you open any browser and type the website link, so here let me type google.com. So google.com will have this page available which contains the logo of Google, text boxes, and few buttons. And you can also see header and footer sections. So this is how website looks like. Similarly, if you want to see Amazon.com, Amazon.com is again a new website. So here you can see a lot of products which is available on their website page. So this is how we can build our own website with the help of HTML, which looks more or less similar, which contains text, images, videos, many things which we can integrate with it. Now let's start with tools. Which all tools will use it for creating HTML? So before we jump into the coding part, we will need a simple text editor where you can use either Notepad, which is very easily available in Windows applications, or Notepad++. So throughout the HTML video, I am going to walk you through within Notepad++, where you can use these applications as coding point of view or creating your web pages. HTML contains lot of attributes and taglines. Writing this, Notepad++ will help us to streamline each line of the codes and tags properly. So if you don't have any applications available, better you can use Notepad++. Why? This is very lighter version where you can start coding at any point of time. Notepad++ is very light version, as well as if you are using just Notepad, then also it's fine. However, Notepad is just a basic version. You will see proper way, but you can't find it out sequencing. So opening text editor is very easy. You can just write Notepad++, and here once you double click on this Notepad++ will be available for you. Now let's look at the basic structure of HTML documents. Every HTML document has a set structure that includes tags like HTML. So this is first tag, this is opening tag of HTML, and this one is closing tag. So before any tag, if you will write it here, this forward slash, this will become your closing tag. Now, this whenever we are starting with HTML, first we have to start with the main tag, and all other attributes or tags which we are writing will go under this. So HTML is non-case sensitive. It means you can write in any type, lowercase, uppercase, that will always gives you output. However, if you're using any other coding language, it's not like this. So if you are writing in a proper way, then only you will get a response. Otherwise, you won't. But HTML is non-case sensitive language where you can write either lowercase, uppercase, that doesn't matter. Even if you will just write HTML in camel case, like first letter in uppercase and rest all in lowercase, then also you will get a response. So this tag is different, this tag is different, then also you will get a proper response or web page response. After that, here we are writing head, and HTML always have the opening and closing tag. This first options is called as tag, and this again at header tag within HTML. So whatever HTML tags we are using, that should go under HTML opening tag and HTML closing tag. This one is called as opening, this one is called as closing tag, and every tag should have the closing tag except few of them, which I will explain you in further part of video. So here this is a header closing. Within this, I will just write this is head. Within this, we are also writing the title. So title, let me just enter this, and here we write title. So title is again we'll have closing tag. Now this is the basic structure. After that, we are adding body. Body will contain each and every information related to your web page, and this is the main sections where you will write all those options in body sequence. So this is a syntax of HTML tag which contains first HTML, which is the opening HTML tag, then the head, then title. I will just write title here, and this is the head closing body section. So I will just write here, this is a body. Again, which is very simple enough. Even if you don't have any smart editor, then also you will build your own web pages. If I want to just write it down, PG color, it means background color of page. Simply here, you can write in within double quotes, and this is the attributes of body tag. So whenever we are using any attribute, that should contain within the tag itself. The body color, I will just write it down here, green. And once I wanted to save this, so let me save it. Select the folder in whichever folders you want to save it. Here we'll write a new folder as HTML. So whatever lessons we'll learn, we'll save it here itself. Now this is lesson 1. I will just write lesson1.html. So whenever we are saving any of the HTML file, that should contain extension name as HTML. And here also you can set it out the HTML, otherwise that will be fine. So now you can see this tag will be converted in sequential. However, if you write same code in Notepad, you won't find it out. These are the sequences. So this is the beauty of Notepad++ applications, where you can start using this HTML coding in very simple way. Now, if I want to open this page into HTML pager, so or into browser, then I will simply go to the folder, open the folder of HTML, and here you can see, because we have saved the notepad file with .html extensions, you will have this icon highlighted as per your default browser settings. So I will simply click on this, and you can see here, because we have added just body sections, this is a head is containing here. We did not define any breakpoint or a break. That's the reason it's showing all those text in same line. However, if you want to showcase in the new line, then you have to provide the break. And after that, the body is populated. Title is showing on the sections. You can see this is highlighted with title. So this is a simple structure of HTML where we can create our own web pages in very easy format where we will have just HTML opening structure, after that HTML closing braces, and then head, title, and body. So this is a complete syntax of HTML. To afraid to get hands dirty with some HTML code, we have to always use all those structure in place. So this is how HTML coding will look like. Hope you're able to understand this complete sessions. If you think so, this is very easy to understand within this video. Press thumbs up and share within your circle. We'll see you in next part of the video. Happy coding and take care of yourself. Thank you.